kids! Let's draw together. Today we are drawing a super cute house with a big tree and pretty flowers. First, we draw the big triangle roof, so tall and strong. Now we draw side windows. Did you know? Houses keep us safe from rain and give us a cozy place to sleep and play. This house looks so happy because we are drawing it with love. Time for the door in the middle. Open and close. Hello, house. Now we draw windows to see outside the house. We will add a chimney on top of our house so that smoke can come out. Look! Little bushes in front of the house and a beautiful tall flower on the right. Pretty, pretty petals. Now let's draw the big tree on the left. Swish, swish. A long trunk. Tall, tall, tall. Did you know? Trees give us cool shade and clean air to breathe. They are the best friends for our house. Wow, wow, wow! Look at your drawing. You made the happiest house ever with a big tree and pretty flowers. Give yourself a big, big hug. You are an awesome artist. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fun drawings. Let's do coloring.
Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for my master, one for my dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane.
Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for my master, one for my dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baba, black sheep, have you any wool?
Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for my master, one for my dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane.
subscribe, and share for more fun drawings. See you in the next video, little artists. Bye-bye!